Sources are telling your channel that the Union Cabinet has cleared the amendments made to the Lokpal bill. It is likely to be presented in the Rajya Sabha in the coming session. Let's also try and get across to Prema Sridevi. Well, she is joining us on the phone line. Prema, there are key issues, there are key pointers in the Lokpal draft, which Times Now did access. We are hearing now that the cabinet has cleared the amendments, most importantly of them, that the anti-corruption wing of the CBI will not be merged with the Lokpal as demanded by Team Anna.
Well, exactly. In fact, this is what is the thing that we've got to know after closely reading the amended Lokpal bill, which has been placed in the cabinet and which has been approved in the cabinet. And as you rightly said, this will now go to the Rajya Sabha and it will be debated. And the anti-corruption wing of the CBI will not be merged with the Lokpal. And this was one of the demands which Team Anna and the anti-corruption crusaders had been asking, that they wanted the anti-corruption wing to be merged with the Lokpal. And another contentious clause in this amended Lokpal bill is that the CBI officers who are investigating cases which have been referred to by the Lokpal, these officers can be transferred by the CBI director without taking permission of the Lokpal. So this is another contentious clause which will be definitely opposed by the anti-corruption crusaders. But one good thing probably is this, that the amended Lokpal draft has it says that the CBI director will be appointed by a collegium comprising of the Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition, and the Lok Sabha and the Chief Justice of India. And also, there is another clause which says that every state will have a Lokayukta within a period of 1 year from the date of notification of the bill. So these are the positive aspects, but what the government will have to now look is to stem the tide as far as the anti-corruption crusaders are concerned, because there are several clauses in the amended Lokpal bill which will not augur well with these anti-corruption crusaders, especially Team Anna. In fact, today, Team Anna, Anna Hazare himself has gone on record saying that he will fight against the amended Lokpal draft, because there are several clauses, as we have already mentioned, which are against what the anti-corruption crusaders have been asking since long. So now it remains to be seen what the government is going to do to stem the tide, because not only dissent outside the government is also facing dissent within the government, because senior ministers within the cabinet, like Ashwini Kumar, who's the law minister, has locked horns with the DOPT minister Narayan Swamy as far as this amended Lokpal bill is concerned, because on one crucial instance, for instance, Ashwini Kumar has said that the Lokpal should have the right to immediately order an inquiry if it finds a prima facie case. But to that, DOPT Minister Narayan Swamy has said that the Lokpal should not be in a position to order an inquiry immediately, because the moment that Lokpal finds a prima facie case, the accused's views needs to be taken, and only after that an inquiry should be ordered. So in several instances within the government itself, there has been instances of dissent. So now it remains to be seen how the government is going to deal with this, and also how the government is going to deal with the dissent outside the government on this new amended Lokpal bill.
ये आज जो है, जो पुलिस यंत्रणा से जो भ्रष्टाचार बढ़ रहा है, गांव तक गया है, गांव तक। एक गांव में 2-3 गुंडा लोग हैं, पूरे गांव को कंट्रोल में करते हैं। एक आदमी कोई जाता है एफआईआर दाखिल करने के लिए पुलिस स्टेशन में, ऊपर से फोन आता है किसी न किसी का, वो हमारा आदमी है। तो सीबीआई जब तक सरकार के अंडर से नहीं निकलेगी, तब तक करप्शन को ब्रेक नहीं लगेगा। तो मैं लेटर में लिखा, क्या सीबीआई को कंट्रोल आउट निकालने के लिए तैयार है? अभी तक जवाब नहीं आया। तो हम ये चाहते हैं, अगर जनरल कॉल लाना है तो सीबीआई, सीबीसी इनको स्वायत्तता कर दे दो। जैसे इलेक्शन कमीशन को स्वायत्त करता है, ऐसे इनको भी स्वायत्तता दे दो, तब करप्शन मिटेगा। अभी तक उनका जवाब नहीं आया। तो हम ये चाहते हैं कि अगर वो बिल लाया भी है, कमजोर है, तो हम आंदोलन करते रहेंगे।
अभी तक जो लोकपाल का मसवदा सामने आया है, वो मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इस देश के लोगों के किस काम का है। उसमें आम आदमी शिकायत करेगा तो वो शिकायत जलेबी की तरह एक विभाग से दूसरे विभाग तक घूमती रहेगी।
आम आदमी की जिंदगी से जुड़ी हुई अधिकतर चीजें राज्य सरकारों से संबंधित हैं, सामान्य जिंदगी से जुड़ी हुई, और राज्य सरकारों में लोकायुक्त होगा नहीं। फिर क्या करेंगे? राज्य सरकार के अफसर, राज्य सरकार के मंत्री, इसका मतलब भ्रष्टाचार करने के लिए स्वतंत्र छोड़ना चाहती है सरकार। तो ये सारी चीजें हैं जो अभी तक बहुत कंसर्न की रही हैं। देखते हैं आज उम्मीद तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि इस देश की सरकार में जरा भी गंभीरता हो एक अच्छा लोकपाल लाने के लिए। फिर भी
We have been a party to in the committee, parliamentary committee. We have given our own suggestions also. We'll have to see how much has been done into that, and we will provide all kind of cooperation in getting it through. If all those things which have been mentioned by us has been taken care of, we'll take a call, and we will be positive on this because we want that Lokpal bill should be there.